Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today we are going to jump right into an eyeshadow palette that I just got in the mail. I already have my face done, so I'm just going to be starting with the eyeshadow palette, which is this one right here by Nomad. And these are the colors that are in it. Very tropical looking. So, I think I want to do a galaxy space kind of vibey look. So, we'll see what we can create and let's get into it. Alright, so I think we are going to use the shade The Baths. Blue shade there. And take a JH35 brush, just a normal little blending brush. We're going to put that into our crease. This is my first time working with these eyeshadows, so I don't know how they'll perform. So alright, I'm going to use the shade Grace Bay. It's the darker blue there. Got cobalt blue. Yeah. I'm going to use the JH40. If it'll focus. It's probably not. I'm just deepen up that crease. Alright. We are going to go into this shade right here, the dark purple, and we're going to put on the outer corner over here and might blend it out, blend it into the crease a touch. Use packing motions. Oh, and I'm using the JH38. Alright, so let's cut the crease. We are going to use the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmer 01. And a little detailing brush. This is a Morphe brush, doesn't have like a number or anything. It's just very detailed and tiny, so I can get a pretty good cut crease. Alright, so I got my creases cut. Alright, and I'm going to use Mahogany Bay. It's like this peachy orange pink shade. Take that on a Morphe flat shading brush and just pack it on there. Alright, I'm going to go back in with that dark purple shade and put it on outer corner again. Blend it in. Alright, lower lash line. Going in with this light blue shade here, the Baths. Probably pronounced that wrong somehow. Then I'm going to go into this dark cobalt blue. Okay, I'm going to take this JH43 and I'm going to take that dark purple shade and put it under my lash line here. I'm going to take this cobalt blue called Chaos from Urban Decay and put that in my waterline. Let's put a liner on this. Okay, got liner on. Let's put these lashes right here on. Oh, eyes are done. I'm going to do lips now. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs cream and sugar to line my lips. I'm going to use this nude stick in Waikiki Rose. Okay, so this is the finished look using the Nomad palette. Really, really like it. I wish the purple was just a little bit darker, but other than that, I think it was pretty gosh darn amazing. I wanted to get the other palette that they have, right what the name of it was, but it has like more pastel-y colors. But it was sold out, and it said like a month or two before they'd have a new stock of it. So that might be a while. Hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, leave me a like, leave me some comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.